Hello students, in this audio module English test, you will see a list of questions on the screen. Read the questions carefully. Please listen to the audio attentively, which will play after the instructions. You need to answer the questions based on what you hear in the audio module. Good luck! Max had always been fascinated by caves, especially those with twisting paths and hidden chambers, so when his family took a trip to Glenstone National Park, he couldn't resist exploring the famous Crystal Cave, known for its shimmering walls and mysterious passages. Crystal Cave was both beautiful and challenging, attracting adventurers from all over. Max's parents were excited for him, but his dad reminded him, caves can be dangerous if you don't know your way around. But as they entered the cave, Max's curiosity got the best of him. While the group was examining a beautiful cluster of crystals, he noticed a narrow passageway leading into the darkness. His heart raced with excitement as he slipped away quietly, eager to see where it led. The passage twisted and turned, and soon Max realized he couldn't hear the tour group anymore. It was just him, his flashlight, and the echoes of dripping water. He tried to retrace his steps, but every path seemed to look the same. Panic began to set in as he understood he was lost. Taking a deep breath, Max remembered what he'd learned about survival. First, he needed to stay calm. Panicking wouldn't help him find his way. He decided to look for any clues to get back, like footprints or familiar markings on the walls. After walking slowly for a while, he saw faint footprints in the dusty ground that matched the hiking boots his dad had given him for the trip. Feeling a bit more hopeful, he followed them. Hours passed, and Max grew tired. He wished he'd stayed with the group, but he knew he couldn't give up. Suddenly, he heard a distant voice echoing through the cave. He called out as loudly as he could, and the voices grew closer. Soon, a park ranger and his parents appeared, looking relieved and worried. They'd been searching for him since he went missing. The ranger guided Max and his family back to the entrance, explaining how important it was to follow safety rules in caves. Max apologized to his parents, promising to be more careful in the future. Despite the scare, he still loved caves, but he knew now to respect their power and mystery. As they left the cave, Max felt a new appreciation for adventure and safety. He'd learned that exploring was only as fun as it was safe. And he'd never forget his adventure in the Crystal Cave of Glenstone.